YouTube.
Dance to this bitch if you gang bang. I don't give a fuck if we don't bang the same thing.
Hey man, say man. It's another day, another black type shit. Hey man, say man. Damn. So right now, we and my lola, we gonna go somewhere because my mom's still asleep. Yeah. But let me have my coffee first. So my lola gonna give chocolate to her customers in her house. And y'all remember, I have a crush on one of her customers. So what if I gonna do is, if I gonna give him more. If I gonna give him more chocolate, y'all, to my crush. Let me add some 3 Ferreros. Okay. Let me add some 3 Ferreros for her, y'all. And then 1 Twinkies. Yeah. This Twinkies is side. I fuck with this Twinkie. So let me give her 1 Twinkies. Then we give her Ferrero and my Twinkies. We're gonna give it to my crush, y'all. Oh my god, this is a trash. What the fuck? Oh my god, my favorite banana. My favorite. And that's my favorite, all the banana. What's in this bitch? Hey man, say man, we just got here in my lola's house. Wait, let me roll down this window first. Wala pa. Ay, marami sa likod pala. Yung mga chocolate pala. Sa akin na tong isa. Niniwalay ko na.
Ha?
Sa akin na tong isa.
Sa'yo na isa?
Chocolate. Oh, okay. We good. Ano oras po kami pupunta?
Tanghalihan eh.
Ah, pala. Bye pala. Ay, wait lang. Oh my god, I almost forgot. The chocolate that's I'm gonna give to my crush. I'm gonna add this to my crush. Sita, I'm gonna add this to my crush. Stop. Tell him to lang. Just tell him to lang. Sa ano? Sa crush ko. Ah, sa crush ko. Sa crush. Dagdag niya sa crush. Dagdag niya sa crush ka lang. So, pana go home. My lola said if I come back here for lunch, I said I'd bet. So yeah, I'm gonna just go first and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright, let's do it. Alright y'all, so oh my god, I just realized I already don't, all of my clothes are dirty. Oh my god, y'all see? Oh my god, that's a lot of money. No, not that shit. Y'all see that? all of my clothes are dirty, so I can't do the normal shit that I'm doing while I'm washing my clothes because, oh my god, I need to edit my vlogs right now. Let me just put them in the washing bag type shit and then let's just put them in the washing machine type shit, okay? Let's do it! I just need to separate my tank tops to the other shits. Alright, y'all, you know what? Let me put all of my shit in here first. And then we're gonna add some ranch. And then we're gonna plug in. Oh man, good. Hey man, say man. Hey man, say man, we good. So I'm gonna come back to you later after 15 minutes. So I think I just heard my mom, yo. Papa, good morning. Kanino pa kayo kasi mami? What happened? Oh my god, shit's so bright. What the fuck happened to my camera? Yeah, what happened to my camera? Oh my god, what the fuck happened to the camera? I don't know. Hey man, so if I na hang all of my clean clothes, and then I'll come back to you later, okay? Let's do it! Actually, good. I'll be good. So, I'm update you later what we gonna do, okay?
Tuyo ka naman, Tipa.
Nasa pod. Almost 3 p.m. lunchtime.
Tuyo ka naman, te.
Huwag na. Toyo, ano na lang, patis na lang, patis.
Oh, patis. Ayan, patis. Kamusta yung aso? May sakit? Okay na? Okay na.
Imbo ko pa, ano? Imbo ko pa.
Sabi mo pula.
Wala na lang pa.
Saan mo makarelisa?
Okay lang po. Hindi kahit ano lang.
Pula. Kaya mo kami pula.
Do my hands, do my hands.
Hindi pwede mo wala ang ating ano.
Yung prinsip na napunta sa
That's mine.
jail. Colorless lang yun, di ba? Ano? Colorless lang naman yun sa white sun. Ano?
Mine.
Pwede yun. Parang babaeng kamay. Ano?
Siyempre, umiwas siya nga itong tumigil. Tatama kakainin ko yung buhay ay pumasok. Saan na exam sa labas? Ganun sila, pwede.
Sabi ng Bini, ilugay mo na yan with Sunsilk. May bagong swapping energy drink. New Cobra Light. Ang sarap! Refresh, blue cola, and lemon plus flavors na less sugar. Chico lang, bumiskot. With caffeine at less caffeine. Lagi, parang fresh.
Kayo pala. Kamay pa.
Ang mga kwento ng pag-ibig, kwento ng pag-asa, nasa Spotify na. Barangay Love Stories. Pakinggan kahit kailan, kahit saan.
Hi, God, is this normal? Is this normal? Is this normal?
Love Songs.
My turn, my turn, my turn. That's yummy.
Sa ating TikTok account, ako wala tayong live ngayon, pasensya na kayo ha. Mamaya sa ating barangay LS.
Just like Bini, mag-wig song na lagi, para
Years old and above only. Game responsibly. Keep it fun.
sign up now at bet88.ph and get up to 5.5% cashback with no limit daily. Bet88, ibang swerte to.
Taga saan ka?
Taga Bini Mama!
Taga saan ka?
Taga Barangay LS!
Leon Extra Strong Beer. Brought to you by MS3.
Mag-MX3 araw-araw.
Apa, okay. Sinaw pa pa. I don't know where we're coming from. Thank you pa, mami. New hair. New hair color. Red.
Baby, can you help me? Baby, can you help me?